They say grief opens doors, not just to memories, but to places we don't understand, places where the veil is thin, where something or might be waiting. Charlie Walker had always been a man of routine, a steady hand, a soft voice. But when his wife Elise died, something inside him collapsed. A silence settled in the house, the kind that no sound could fill. It started 3 days after the funeral. A runt, born too late in the season, too small, too fragile to last the winter. It stood just at the edge of the woods, watching him. Charlie started leaving bits of food, not too close. He didn't want to scare it away, but the fawn kept coming back. And every time, it came a little nearer, as if it recognized him, as if it was waiting. Then came the night he woke to a whisper. Faint, almost familiar. Charlie. A name barely carried on the air. He got up, heart pounding. And there it was. The fawn, still as stone, watching him, not like an animal, like someone remembering. Days later, Charlie found one of Elise's journals. He hadn't opened them since she passed, but that day he did. One line in her gentle hand stopped him cold. If I go first, I'll come back somehow. You'll know it's me. He tried to explain it to his daughter, tried to put the feeling into words, that maybe this wasn't just a deer, that maybe Elise had kept her promise. But all he got was silence on the other end, and gentle concern, not belief. That winter morning he stepped outside. The snow was falling. The fawn stood there, closer than ever before. They stared at each other for a long, breathless moment. Charlie knelt, and softly he asked, "Elise, is that you?" He never saw the fawn again, but something had shifted. Not everything broken stays broken. Sometimes love finds its way back to us. In small, quiet ways, if we are still enough to feel it. Not every story asks to be explained. Some just ask to be remembered. Charlie knew it's not always meaning we seek. Sometimes it's connection. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Remember, some stories don't end, they just echo in time.